The Royal Society for Public Health is looking at British high streets and how they can promote or hinder people in making healthy lifestyle choices. We're here in Shrewsbury to find out why it ranked as the healthiest out of 70 towns and cities we looked at as part of our Health on the High Street campaign.
I think it reflects the people that actually live here and what their priorities are and what they want to purchase.
I guess we have locally sourced food quite a lot. It's kind of quite an urban place. That's probably the main reason.
Well, that's rather good, isn't it? It's got a lot of shops that are what they call one-off shops, so they're not large. Well, there are a lot of chain shops anyway, but there are a lot of shops that are just individual shops, which makes it good.
There's quite a young population generally, so health is quite an important aspect to most people's lives. A lot of sports clubs around, and a lot of sports centres as well, which is good.
I think generally because it's a market town to begin with, there's not a great lot of traffic up and down.
Shrewsbury has about 700 shops, a huge amount which are independent.
I would say yes, I would say so actually, because there's a place, Optimum Joy, where they do all vegan food, all organic, and it's all very healthy for that, and the food's actually really, really nice. And that's become like a really good big thing in Shrewsbury because it's one of the first, and it's kind of influenced a lot more. And I think another thing that makes Shrewsbury really good is they have a lot of like vegetarian food and things that are a lot healthier and low in sugar and that kind of thing.
Lots of nice little restaurants. We just had a lovely, haven't we? Lovely tiramisu cake, and the shops are pretty good as well. They've good variety, yes.
The one thing I know is that when I go shopping either in the market or in one of those shops, I can ask where does it come from, what's in it. I can get advice on what to eat. I would say you can get a good variety of well-priced local and non-local, but you know the sources.
I don't think we want too many betting shops.
Yeah, like tanning places,
Yeah.
especially like using sunbeds and stuff, that would worry me because it's like using like UV and all of that. So yeah, that would be quite worrying. But betting shops, I don't know, it kind of brings the wrong kind of crowd, I guess.
I think betting shops can be very unhealthy. You've obviously got the addiction aspect, so I think they can be quite damaging. People get a reliance on them.
It would be appalling, dreadful thing, and unfortunately it is happening.
Well, I think the high street's important for all of us because it gets us out. You can walk around the high street and see lots of different shops, boutique shops, whereas if you go to the out-of-town shopping centres, you're limited to the same sort of large one-stop shops. So I do think it gets people out. Yes, it's a good idea.
It's actually important that I can get the things I need, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables.
Very important, I guess.
Yeah.
Because without the variation of shops, we just probably go to like unhealthy places all the time.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I think population generally, it's really important to have those kind of healthy aspects. Yeah, undoubtedly.
I would say really important because if you want to go somewhere quickly and actually be healthy, like it can be quite hard to do, but there is quite a few places that you can go.
I think they're really important because I want to be able to walk from my house. I'm lucky enough to live fairly near the town centre, into town and go shopping and actually enjoy the experience and get to know the traders, because I don't think it's just what people sell. I think it's the relationship you have with the traders that is part of that, because you don't get stressed shopping.